Cardano is the 6th leading cryptocurrency all over the world with a market cap of $67.55 billion. However, this is still seen by many in the media and the crypto community as a far cry from the third place it once held a few months ago in 2021. Now, as the year 2021 wraps up, with the dawn of a new year beginning just around the corner, many financial institutions have been diving deep into the math on which price Cardano could end its year on. As we said earlier, many news channels have been working on the possible outcomes for the future of Cardano by calculating if Cardano stands a chance of reaching the top and regaining its spot back from its rivals. Already, Cardano is picking up the pace as the coin currently hits at $2.03, which is an increase from $1.90 it was once at. This increase isn't undeniably that effective or anything to celebrate in the crypto community, as there are many pretty upset about the sway of the coin. Even now, many are opposed to the idea of trading in the crypto community, as coins are still known for rising dramatically and dropping the same. Still, the rise isn't far lacking and is actually on par with the calculations of many crypto site enthusiasts, who've made predictions predicting Cardano's rise to as much as $10 in the months or years from now, and as much as $25 to $100 in 2025. Whether Cardano is a coin that can reclaim its spot in the future, or whether its recent bullish trend is to continue, there's some important information about it that Coin Bureau has shared with thousands of its followers about Cardano and its potential worth looking into. Today's topic, like most, is looking into the potential of Cardano and how it's going to increase its value. We're going to get more into the critical information that no one in the community seems to be talking about, so watch the video until the end to know what Coin Bureau has been on about Cardano. While you're at it, why don't you go and subscribe to the investment guide so you get to learn more about these topics. For anyone asking, Coin Bureau, as the name suggests, is a crypto enthusiast channel with over 1 million subscribers, and they go to their channel in search of information about coins and the market. The channel has been up to date with stories about the crypto welfare and what to expect. Their channel on YouTube was launched in 2019 and has garnered over 80 million views. In a video published on their channel about a month ago, Coin Bureau took on overshadowed topics in the crypto community about Cardano. The channel points out that the concurrency issue Cardano faced even with the launch of its smart contracts, as many criticized the coin, such as Eric Wall, the CIO of Arcana Assets, who said, Cardano isn't on par with competing smart contract platforms despite all their talk. Coin Bureau also pointed out in great detail that the advanced UTXO model, also known as the extended UTXO model or eUTXO model, which, as you may have known, is the lower version or original version of this model being used on the Cardano Bitcoin exchange platform. Coin Bureau then goes on in detail about how the system works and applies more modern experience to the term. Say buying a drink from a vending machine with your cards for $2 and having your account debited that amount which you bought the drink for, whereas buying a drink from a vending machine for $2 and paying in cash with a $5 note. In this case, the vending machine would then have to pat you back $3 in return for the $2 paid out at the $5. In this sense, Coin Bureau talks about how Ethereum uses smart contracts for coin exchanges, which then could explain why it's so expensive. But as Cardano uses a similar system to the vending machine with physical money, it offers less price but a higher chance of a concurrency issue. A concurrency issue here is a clear example which refers to a situation whereby a massive group of people want to buy a drink from a vending machine with physical notes, much higher than the needed amount. Each customer would then have to wait for the first in line to finish, which could be a problem not only for the person standing at the far back but also for the vending machine. MinSwap also has a breakdown on the network. MinSwap is the first platform that used 2 of the Cardano testnets. As thousands of people rushed to get their transactions done, each was left waiting for the other to have their exchange completed. It later resulted in MinSwap having to shut down their Cardano testnet as they pondered the solution to their problems. Already, many platforms and projects are being set as a solution to Cardano's concurrent issue. Even MinSwap found a solution to the issue. Coin Bureau then touches on the fact that the top 5 and exciting changes to happen would be a game changer for Cardano. They would help to get the blockchain to grow massively and solve many of its underlying issues. Today we're going to be telling you about these issues and what they all mean and how they could help the community. Sunday Swap is the first of 5 solutions Coin Bureau talks about. Being founded in April, AMN DEX has garnered a lot of attention over social media as it's set out to become Cardano's leading DEX. What sets SundaeSwap apart from other indexes is the platform currently is completely decentralized, as its front end is hosted by the IPFS. The SundaeSwap tokens will be distributed through its ISO to Cardano users, who staked their ADA during the stake pool. What's incredible about this is the equal distribution of tokens, with 50% going to Cardano users and the community users over time. The next exciting project is the Ada project. Also being founded in the April of 2021, Coin Bureau believes that the coin hasn't received nearly as good enough attention as it deserves. Ada packs quite a punch on the scale of how important it will be to its users, as it offers them the opportunity to mint a US stablecoin, more popularly known as the USD, using ADA as collateral. Not only that, but Ada aims to integrate other cryptocurrencies to mint its stablecoins, for which staked Cardano can be used as collateral. The third important project is going to be called MELD, being founded earlier in March and recently going through its ISO that is set to last until the end of the year. MELD is a DeFi protocol that offers users the opportunity to borrow and lend Cardano tokens, just like Aave on Ethereum. MELD also plans to bridge its systems to Polygon, the leading Layer 2 blockchains. Now, MELD services will be accessible through the MELD mobile app, which is currently in development. Users will also be provided with an ATM that will help them to spend their crypto. For the fourth exciting project coming to Cardano, Coin Bureau talks about Drunken Dragon Games. Being founded in April, it is currently distributing NFTs to Cardano users who delegate it as a staple. The project is rather more like any other NFT game that runs on crypto, but with perks described best in its own words. While the game is still to be launched, its NFTs have already been selling for tens of thousands. The game's going to be available on mobile and across multiple platforms. Being founded in April and funded by a Cardano catalyst, we have Empower. Coin Bureau's take on Empower as their fifth and last project is believed to have a lot of potential for Cardano. The platform tends to be the first in its space with an intricate mission not seen before in the crypto space. Its mission here is to increase the affordable housing system on the African continent, starting with Mozambique. Its plan to execute this is to act as a DeFi property developer, which would then be used to build the houses needed through tokens. Those who support the tokens blockchain by buying them will be secured a cut of future rentals on the homes built off of Empower's project. One thing that the crypto community may not know, be it Cardano supporters or critics, is that Cardano is estimated to be a coin with the most active community out of all other coins, with more than 1 million users. That said, Coin Bureau expresses his concerns with the coin, stating that even if the solution to Cardano's concurrency issue was already fixed before the experience, the outcome would nevertheless be the same. Cardano would still have experienced a breakdown in the system or another concurrency issue, which is due to the rate of activity being performed by its users. It may sound like a good thing that Cardano's users may be more active even past top leading crypto coins, but this is also a nightmare for the developers as they're faced with an immense number of issues to solve during the high engagements. This is why many Cardano upgrades are first being put through higher numbers of test phases, as they could instantly crash once they go viral. Well, that's it everyone. What do you think about Cardano? Is Coin Bureau right about these solutions and how they're going to help with the Cardano crypto community and help it grow? And if so, will this be a great opportunity for Cardano to reclaim its spot as third leading coin in the world with its aims to go higher? Well, let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Investment Guide as we're always dropping videos on crypto. If you enjoyed it, like the video, and while you're still here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen.